and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you for your loyalty. I am filming outside today, and I'm not sure if we're gonna get a storm tonight, but it's pretty windy, but it's just so nice. I just needed to come out. I do all sorts of unboxings, clothing, jewelry, household, just about anything. And the box that I'm opening today, I saw off of another YouTuber's channel, and she ordered it off of Etsy. And it is called, I always screw this up, Glitz, and let me see, Glitz and Goals, that's what it is. And this curator puts together, just the one box I saw was just beautiful. So I'm like, that's one I have to try. And I got it in the mail, and I opened it up, and it has a card with my name on it, which I thought was really special. And it says thank you. And look at her cute business card. It says, Robin, thank you so much for your order. I hope you love your personalized mystery box. Stephanie at Glitz and Goals. And I had emailed her back several times, and she was like right on top of it. So I did appreciate that. And then there's the receipt. Now the thing about this box that was odd, and I didn't realize it till after I ordered it, so totally on me, the box was $29.99, which is not a bad price for a subscription or mystery box. But the shipping was $23.81. And that was one of the things I emailed her on. And she says she just does she does the shipping all the time. On the label, the shipping charge was $14.35. So I'm really not sure what is up with the difference in the shipping. But the box seemed well worth it, so let's get into it. And the first item, it's got green tissue paper on it. And it looks like, nope, there goes the green tissue paper. Be right back. Okay. Save the green tissue paper. And the first thing is by It Cosmetics. And it's a cute little bag. And you are beautiful, you are it. So I'm thinking she got this from something from the It store, but it's a cute little bag. If it doesn't blow away. And the next thing is wrapped in green tissue paper. And Funfetti powder highlighter and wear lip topper. So, you know me in boxes, I can never get into them. I hope the wind isn't bothering you guys. And this is what it looks like. So let me take it out. Not sure what this is, but it's the cutest case. And, oh, it's a really pretty, like a lavender highlighter. So that is nice, and I think on the back it tells you what's in here. There's the lip topper, which I'm thinking is the middle one, and the eye topper. So I'm thinking this nice sparkling one must be the eye topper. So that is nice, and I'm going to put it in my It Cosmetics bag. Okay, and let's see what else we got wrapped in green tissue paper. Moda Mythical makeup brushes. So these are nice, and I think when I signed up, it kind of asks you what type of items you like. If you like makeup, if you like jewelry, some color. So it did ask you questions. Next thing is, it says Hustle. It looks like it's another makeup bag, and there's some goodies inside. I'm not sure, these must be stickers. I'm not sure if you can see them. I can't take them out of my hands because they'll blow away. And Pretty and Smart, glitzandgoals.com. So that must be something that she does at her place, and it's a mirror. So that is a really pretty mirror. And there's also some pens in there. A really pretty pen. And this says Girl Boss on it. It's a nice purple pen. And I think that might have been an option on there, and I love myself a good pen. And this one, it's got like the water in there. So how adorable are these pens? And there is this thing. I'm not sure what it does. It looks like it opens. Nope. It twists. And it's a lip gloss. How unique is that? So this definitely falls under the glitz category. So this will be going in the makeup bag. Oh, there's so many fun items in here. What do we got here? Everything is better as a mermaid. Printed face mask. That is really cute. And I'm very afraid. They're like a silicone thing. So I don't know if you put them in like the refrigerator or freezer and maybe put these on your eyes. So if you guys know what these are, please let me know. They're going in the bag. I'm getting palm trees in my face. And the next thing is a mug. And I think it's a mug, could be a glass. Oh. And you know I love me some personalization on mine. So this is a nice, I think you can either drink out of it, maybe even put a candle in there, but isn't that pretty? Actually, this might be to put your brushes in. I'm thinking that might be what it is, that you can put your makeup brushes in. So I'm going to try that out and I will let you know how that works. But that is so pretty. So it's going to go in my it bag. I think there's some more goodies in here. It's definitely well worth the $30. I just think shipping costs in general have gotten so outrageous. Like, I did a couple giveaways, and I know a lot of the ladies do giveaways, and the shipping just totally kills it because you have to spend so much on the shipping. But I'm definitely loving the products. The next thing is It Superhero Mascara. So that is nice. And I think there's like another mug in here. Ooh. There is, and it says sit back and relax. So now you know there'll be some wine going in this mug. Sorry, I'm trying to organize. There's just so much stuff in here. And I don't want anything to fall or break. And let's see. I think there's one more item in here. Wake, Pray, and Slay. And it's a journal. But again, look at how glitzy that is. And I can use those great pens. Ooh, I think there's like a few more things in here. This is definitely an awesome box. And I will leave the link below. So if you'd like to order it, I just wanted to give you a heads up about the shipping. But that's totally not Stephanie's fault. And here we go. Real Techniques, a beauty blender. And we know we can never get too many beauty blenders. And of course I'm dropping the squigglies on the ground. She packaged this very nice. And some Kiss eyelashes. What a great variety of items that she put in here. So this is definitely a great box. And oh, Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. And it's in the color Miss Argentina. That looks pretty. This is definitely going to go to Mexico with me because it'll look great with some of the outfits I have planned. And let me just do one swipe. And I think I got everything. So please let me know what you thought of this box. Leave some comments. As I said, I really enjoyed this box. It had some great items in there. And please comment, comment, comment. I'll leave the link below if you'd like to order yourself a customized box as well. So as always, you guys have an awesome day.